So I am standing in one of the best locations in Pickering right now. It's Rougemont Community. It's just 5 minutes from Highway 401, and this house is actually for sale right now. So it's a 4-bedroom, tastefully updated home with over 3,500 square feet, and the basement has a nanny suite with 1 bedroom, living area, and a full bathroom. Let's take a look.